All right, Bridgewater Mall right now at the food court. Grab some Charlie's. Wow, super awesome. Good stuff right there. Let's go. All right, Bridgewater Mall, heading out right now. Heading outside. Let's do a time check. It's 5:50 p.m. Let's go.
You guys want to go sit down?
4th of July weekend. July 5th, 2026. Yeah, they're closing up the mall pretty soon, 6 o'clock. So we're going to stroll around for a little bit and make our way out. Still some people walking around. But yeah, they're about to close up pretty soon. I really like the AC in here. The temperature is very nice. It's a comfortable temperature. Been a crazy weekend, a lot of storms, thunderstorms, power outages, heat waves, all kinds of stuff. So we haven't had the best of weather this weekend, 2026, 4th of July weekend. But in here it feels very nice. Got the real fruit bubble tea over here. Oh yeah, I didn't walk over here yet. I want to walk over here real quick. I know they put decorations here sometimes during the holidays and everything. So lit here. It's super awesome. The way the ceiling is, it's lighting it up very nice. I like this spot right here. It's cool. Nice and bright. This is, I guess, like the center of the mall, basically. Here's the lower level. This level is darker. Just the way the mall's set up, I guess. It gets a little darker when you come down here. This is the gloomy part of the mall. It's a little dark down here. It's okay, definitely, but it's not as lively as the other two levels. And like I've said, the contrast in here of the lighting is very different. Some spots it's pretty darkish, and then other spots it's very bright, nice and bright. So that's kind of the uniqueness here, I guess, of the Bridgewater Mall. They have a little massage spot over here. The massage mob. All right, the Bridgewater Mall excursion. 4th of July weekend, July 5th today. And yeah, the weather was just a little crazy, so it was definitely a mall day. The original plan today was Jersey Shore, Asbury Park, so that's coming soon. And yeah, so because of the weather, the plans change sometimes with us walking creators and things like that. So anyway, yeah, good times here at the Bridgewater Mall. Got a little tongue-tied there for a second. At the Bridgewater Mall. And there's a Redstone American Grill, so there's a nice restaurant right there they got over here. Check that out, the Tesla truck that's charging. Charge with Jolt right there. Boom, charging station. You always see the gray one. I see the other ones a little bit, other colors, but primarily it's mostly the gray ones that you see, the silver ones, whatever it is. Oh, California Pizza Kitchen. What's this right here? Pretty cool. So they got a pizza shop right here. I don't know if it's connected inside. It probably is. But sometimes the malls don't connect the stores from the outside to the inside. But there's the Redstone American Grill. All right. Good times here at the Bridgewater Mall. So thanks for tuning in. And see you all in the next one. God bless. And if you're not subscribed, would be appreciated if you could subscribe. Right now we got Pibry POV, Pibry POV, and we got Brian Pibry, Bryan Pibry. So that's the ecosystem here for the walking videos. And I'm Brian, the walking creator, walking influencer, if you want to call it that. But yeah, this is what we do. We like to walk, us walking people. And this was filmed with our Pocket 3 camera. Little big guy, LBG, HLG, HDR, 4K 60. And I edit in Final Cut Pro. That is the current workflow, and I want to make it as true to life as possible. That's what we do. That's what I do tediously, and we try to make it happen. So, all right, everyone. So peace out. God bless. See you all in the next one.